wanted to think today, unless advised otherwise, that the increase in the money for defense indicates that then as a government, we are encouraging the problem in the Rift Valley. We are actually funding bandits. If not, what reason do we have to increase money for defense at the expense of the Kenyan child? Mr. Speaker, I come from a constituency that has been marginalized in development for many years. There is a road called C44, which connects 5 counties: Uasin Gishu, Kakamega, Bungoma, Trans Nzoia, and partly Nandi. Looking at this budget, this road has been that road has been launched 4 times, twice by Kibaki, twice by the Jubilee government, and even the current president, when he was the deputy president, he came to launch the road at Panpepa. Today, when I look at the budget estimates, there is no single cent for C44. Are we not Kenyans? Mr. Speaker, I have an issue of land. And when I look at this budget, I get concerned. The other day, I saw a letter from the CS Treasury asking for the Minister of Lands to exercise 2 forests. And when I look at this budget, there is provision for those 2 forests. Unfortunately, for the squatters living in Manzini Forest in Tarbo and squatters living in Mautuma Sendro, who are given land in 1992, they have not been provided for. What kind of country is this where we marginalize a section and provide for another? Mr. Speaker, I would like to support the estimates with amendments at the right time.